finally we have created a dashboard over here with the donut chart, bar chart, funnel chart, bar graph, and this is the random AI through which we can calculate and count the region or the maximum number of category, the maximum number of orders, the maximum number of counts of each and every category. So here basically what we have done is sum of sales by segment. So here it shows me like consumer, corporate and home offices are the three segments, and it accumulates around 1.16 million, 0.71 million for corporate, 1.16 for the consumer goods, and 0.43 for the home office segment. Now talking about the sum of sales by category, so we have our orders table here, and here we can see the categories as technology, furniture and office supplies. So here some of categories looks like technology holding 34.96%, while I've selected the donut chart here. Then talking about the furniture category, then it holds around 33.2% here, and then office supplies category holding 31%. So the maximum share is with the technology itself. Now coming to sum of sales by region, so we have 4 regions in our orders, not in the orders table but in the people table, where we have 2 columns, person and region. So I have selected sum of sales by region. So sales is coming from, again, the aggregated value coming from the orders table, and the region coming from the people table, wherein it shows me in the pie chart as 4 regions: east, west, central and south. So the maximum percentage of sales being visible with the west region having 31.52%. Then after that we have the east, which grabs around 29.52%. Then we have the central region, which approximately have 21.96%, and then the south, which has approximately 17. And here what we have done is sum of sales by subcategory using a funnel chart. So we can see there is a absolute downfall with all the subcategories. We can see the amount of sales being done very less for fasteners, labels, envelopes, art and supplies are very less, instead of the demand and the sales, which has gone upper, and we can see a slight increase in the sales for chairs, phones, storage tables, binders. These are the subcategories under these categories. So we can clearly see the maximum graph is occupying under the furniture as well as the technology category right? So now coming to the next one. So here what we did is sum of sales by the orders date. So where it shows me the sum of sales by the orders date and the corporate sales category. So it shows us like 5k, 10k, 15k and 20k, and then the amount as per the order date. And here I wanted to see the profit, so I can just give it, if I would like to see it in a table, or I would like to see it you can ask any question using the AI. So I want to see the profit ratio right now, so I would say profit by sales in table. Okay, so if I choose this, so it gives me something like this. If I give profit by category, so it will show me exactly the profit in the specific category. As of now, like, it is showing me a bar graph, right? So if I even give it as a table, it will give me the actual amount as well in a table. So this is, we can see the profit in a table. Okay, or you can give it as a region. So it is going to give you exactly the profit by each region. So this is how we calculate, or otherwise you can simply count total number of years, as in the years table we have 12, or you can see maximum sales in the home office category is 22.6%. So this is the basic overview of this chart. Now coming to this, sample days and month, we have calculated the